Neita of Great Britain in lane 8 will gauge her effort off Bishops of Netherlands. The 100-metre new personal best for her could give us some good speed through the first 100 metres. But Daryll Neita flying around the bend at the moment. It's a good bend as well for Moore of Jamaica. It's Moore of Jamaica. Ofili trying to come through on the inside. Daryll Neita trying to find something, but Ashanti Moore, the Jamaican champion.
Ashanti Moore is making waves in the world of track and field, and her 2025 season is proving she's a force to be reckoned with. After a heartbreaking miss for the 2024 Paris Olympics, Moore has returned with incredible speed and determination, setting personal bests and breaking records. In this video, we'll dive deep into her journey, from her standout performances to her recent 200-meter victory at the Gyulai István Memorial, where she clocked an impressive 22.31 seconds. With fierce competition and an unstoppable drive, can Moore make it to the top of the podium at the upcoming World Championships? Let's find out. Jamaica's Ashanti Moore has been putting together a solid season over both the 100-meter and 200-meter, and looking at her performance, it's safe to say that she is in the best shape of her life. Since earning a spot on the 200-meter team for the 2023 Budapest World Championship, Ashanti Moore has been driven by a fierce hunger for even greater success on the international stage. Despite being unable to make the Jamaican team for the 2024 Paris Olympics, she returned in 2025 with newfound speed and determination to show the world that she can indeed be one of the fastest women in the world. Moore ran a 150-meter straight Jamaican record of 16.50 seconds and followed up her performance a few weeks later to run 11.19 seconds to place 7th in the 100-meter final at the Jamaican National Championship. Despite being unable to make the 100-meter team, Moore returned with added fuel as she ran 22.66 seconds to win the 200-meter title, just falling short of the Tokyo World Championship standard of 22.57 seconds.
Set on the way now. Clean start. Ashanti Moore was away well. So too, Kimber Nelson. Nisha Berger, the fastest Jamaican. This season, the red is ranging up. So too on the inside there. We have got Nelson, but they come down the stretch now. This is an open affair. This looks like anybody's race now. Ashanti Moore, Kimber Nelson and company. Nisha Berger coming through. Ashanti Moore is crowned a national champion for the first time.
However, Moore had plans to get the standard by competing at various overseas meets. At the Raiffeisen Austrian Open Eisenstadt, Ashanti Moore ran a 22.40 second personal best in the 200-meter and ran a 100-meter personal best of 10.94 seconds at the Serbia Athletics meeting.
Looks like a good start from Moore. She's very quickly out on her blocks, and she's absolutely flying, looking a little bit like her compatriot in the 200 meters for men, and it's Ashanti Moore racing away. So she's already done 22.66 this year, and that's going to be close to it.
Next, Ashanti Moore competed in the 100-meter at the Gyulai István Memorial, facing tough competition from Paris Olympic finalists like Favour Ofili from Nigeria and Daryll Neita from Great Britain. The event ran on schedule, and the athletes were all set to race. The race was off to a fast start, with Moore leading the way as she tried her best to navigate the curve in the best way possible. Favour Ofili and Daryll Neita were right there with her. Ashanti Moore led her own and dipped at the finish to cross the line in a new personal best of 22.31 seconds. The same time was given to Favour Ofili for second, and Daryll Neita was third with 22.37 seconds to rule out the top 3 finishers. Ashanti Moore was very pleased with her personal best as she took her flowers and smiled with fans in the stadium. Ashanti Moore's 2025 season shows what true perseverance looks like. After facing setbacks, she's come back stronger, faster, and more determined than ever. As she heads toward the World Championships, we can't help but be excited for what's next. What do you think of Ashanti Moore's incredible comeback this season? And do you believe she has what it takes to make it to the top at the upcoming World Championships? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on her journey. Also, check out our video about Brian Level's possibility of winning 200-meter in Tokyo this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest content. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the action. This is CaribFocus Sports, see you in the next video.